Hi, my name's Chris Murray. I'm a student here at Ohio State University, majoring in electrical and computer engineering. This weekend for the Make-a-thon, partnered up with Alex and Paul, we decided to tackle the hotel challenge and create a shower scrubbing robot. Here's the project we built. 2022 Make-a-thon at The Ohio State University. We constructed this tile panel to resemble a shower wall. You got your tiles, you got your grout. Beautiful. So the project is a shower wall scrubbing device. We have two stepper motors connected to these spools that ravel and unravel this fishing wire. And that fishing wire moves this scrub head along the wall to clean it. The stepper motors are controlled by an Arduino Uno, stepper motor drivers. Yeah. The scrubbing device, we found a old dish scrubber. We sawed the top off of it, hooked it up to a DC motor that's powered with a 9-volt battery. It's controlled by ESP8266 microcontroller. Probably a little overkill, but we want to integrate Bluetooth capabilities to avoid having to run extra wires to the scrubber. And we are using a power MOSFET to switch our DC motor on and off. Now for a closer look at the components. A closer look at the devices and components and all the good stuff. We were able to salvage these wooden wire spools from an old table leg. Here's our stepper motor, suction cupped to the tile wall. Another wire spool, another stepper motor back there. A close-up view, we have an Arduino Uno, two stepper motor drivers, a bunch of wires, and a close-up of the scrub head. Here it is, 9-volt battery, DC motor, a scrubber, power MOSFET, microcontroller. And this rotates when powered on and scrubs the wall.